What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build again. Today, it's back to work on our 1969 Cat 250X project. Our first order of business is going to be going ahead, getting these front forks all cut off so we can be out with the old and in with the old. Yep, you heard me right. Out and in with the old. Let's get started. Alright guys, now that we got both of these steer tubes cut off, we're going to go ahead, figure out our ride height, get everything sitting level, and get this puppy tacked in. Once we get it tacked in, we can make sure it's right where we want it. We can weld it up, cut these fork tubes off, and start making something that'll fit this old wheel we got. Let's get started. Alright guys, now we got this steer tube all welded in and the forks are cut off. We're going to have to run to the store real quick, pick up some more material, and I'll meet you guys at the shop so we can go ahead and get the forks all bent. From there we'll head on back, get everything welded, and maybe have this thing rolling the way it should be. Let's go. Alright guys, we got our fork tubes made. We had to relocate over here to the concrete where things are a little more level so we can make sure to get this all done straight. Next step, we're going to go through, tack these puppies in, and then we can figure out how we want them to sit, make sure we're happy with it, we'll weld them in, and then we can figure out what we're going to do about mounting the axle into the ends here. Let's get it. you're getting a little discouraged, all I can say is, wow, I am proud of this thing. So we're going to go ahead, call it a wrap there. On the next episode, we're going to go in, finish welding in the head tube from the back, clean up the frame, get the disc brakes sorted, and if more parts show up, maybe we can get the handlebars and stuff on. But I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace!